In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam needs to be online to update. So if you have this Steam fatal error, it may be due to your network connection. So in order to fix this, I have in here this article that gives us these 7 methods. So first things first, you can restart your computer. You can head over right here to this window icon, then click onto this power icon right here, and then click onto this restart option that we can see right here. Once you're done restarting, you should be able to fix your Steam problem right away. However, if it's not, you can head over and then search in here for Steam. And then after that, head over and then make sure to run it as administrator. Using that way, you should be able to actually use it right around here, and then you should be able to fix the problem that you're having. So after that, you can also update your GPU driver as well to verify the game file. So this GPU driver pertains to your Wi-Fi, while verifying your game file pertains to the file that you have downloaded on Steam. Also check your network and firewall if it's actually having some problems. Let's search in here for firewall. Click on open. And then see if the status is just okay. And you can also add Steam as an exception for the firewall in order to make sure that it's okay. After that, you can also change the LAN settings, change into a different Wi-Fi, and if everything is not yet fixed, you can head over and then uninstall Steam and then install it again. So head over and click on Steam, make sure to uninstall it, and then after that, install it again if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.